So the target is set. 348 needed in the stipulated 50 overs in what has been a batting paradise of a wicket. Jokingly called a day 3 Gabba wicket. Conducive for runs. He takes him on and sends a message towards all those fans waiting to come in. That's how you lay down a marker, Suryavanshi. That's how you lay down a marker. A free hit, and he makes Ali Raza pay. 2 legal deliveries, 13 already on the board. One more time. One more time.
Vaibhav.
That's into the Dubai Marina. Oh, drop catch. Better fielding effort required in the crowd. Mid-off. Straight to the fielder. The captain, completely flummoxed, has to head out. Edge, no second slip. George gets off the mark with a streaky little boundary. Strayed. And Ali Raza, who's just bowled an over. Now this is the Aaron George we've come to know and love. Classic cover drive.
And again in the air but away. In the gap also. We'll earn him runs, if not a boundary. Yes, it is a boundary.
Oh, it's right at the helmet, and this could be curtains. Mr. Consistent departs. Siam gets the last laugh.
Edge, yes! Gone! Big, big wicket! Ali Raza strikes! What a time, what a moment in this game! Then one. Beautiful, great timing, excellent placement. Sigh of relief, a boundary. So he has a very important role. Oh, Gohan knocks him over! Wicket in his very first over. He can do no wrong in this tournament. Pakistan is on fire and on top.
And Abhigyan do need to stitch together a partnership. Well placed by Vedant Trivedi. He'll get 4. A welcome boundary for the Indian side.
Once again, it's in the air, shot and a chance, and taken. Siam with his heavy balls, the shorter ones, is proving fatal for the Indian batters. It's Trivedi this time.
For the moment, the spinner has been greeted to the bowling crease by a towering 6 by Abhigyan Kundu. He says there's still some fight. That could be taken, it will be taken. He's found the man, a third man. He didn't have to move an inch. It was almost like it was a Christmas gift delivered.
And this is a finely played cut late. This will get to the boundary before Ali Raza.
Oh, this is in the air. And taken. Farhan Yunus, skipper, completes the catch as Ali Raza gets another wicket.
Extra bit of pace.
Comes down the track, charges on and sends it off for a maximum.
Haven't really recovered. And this is going down for the big hit and chance for Siam, and he takes it. Easy one. And the off spin option has worked. Hassan coming in, and off his 4th delivery is picked up the wicket. Since then has been a barren patch for him, and another chance. This time it's long off, and this time another wicket. 9th down, and Pakistan inch closer to the Asia Cup trophy. This is big. This is in the cow corner, and it clears the boundary by some distance. Once again, he looks to go big, doesn't get the timing, but Siam, he misfields one, and
Streaky, lucky, but 4. That's what Dipesh Devendran gets. He said, all right, I'm going to flay my bat at whatever comes my way. Story. In the air, could it be taken?
There's a chance this time. And it falls to the ground and quietly crosses the rope as well.
Well, Devendran's not going down without a fight. Smacks that away.
This is a chance. There's a fielder getting under, but once again it goes the distance, and I hope the fielder is okay. This is once again up in the sky, and this is held, and this is the moment. Pakistan becoming the champions, the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Ali Raza picks up the wicket, and it's joy for the dugout as players and officials run in with the flags on their back. Jubilation for the crowd as Pakistan clinched the Asia Cup Under-19 title after 13 years, and that too was joint winners with India, and now it's the first exclusive win for Pakistan.